China versus Korea. This is the semi-final, the men's team table tennis at Tokyo Olympics 2020. 1. Ma Long Su Xin 3-0. Lee Sang-soo Young Young-sik. Ma Long and Su Xin are the best double in the world, say they will beat Korea double with no problem. We prepare ourselves well for this match with the Koreans. Getting the first point for China in the opening double was good, as it gave us the momentum. It was a tough match with Lee, but overall, I'm happy I managed to fight back and I not give him any chance to take the match into the fourth game, said Ma Long. Set 2, Fan Zhendong 3-0, Zhang Wujin. Fan Zhendong also defeated Zhang Wujin 3-0. The game is very close, 11-9, 16-14, but Fan Zhendong has the advantage with his aggressive backhand flick. From the start, we were quite careful, but as the game progressed and when we started winning the points, we got more confidence. We are able to play to each other's strength, and that is the key to our success, said Fan Zhendong. Set 3, Ma Long 3-2, Lee Sang-soo. Ma Long has a lot of difficulty in this game. Lee Sang-soo has used a lot of no-spin serve on the forehand side of Ma Long. Lee Sang-soo's attack is very fast, but he also made some errors. This is not the first time Ma Long had difficulty with Lee Sang-soo's playing style. In the end, Ma Long won 3-2. Team China has beaten Team Korea by 3-0 in the semi-final and proceeded to the final in the men's team event at the Tokyo Olympics Games.
我觉得这正常嘛，因为毕竟团体赛已经半决赛，对手又是韩国队，不可能场场都很。
Ma Long said that the first double games was also the smoothest game I have played so far. At the same time, he was prepared to lose 1 or 2 games, which is why he was able to win at the critical moment. Su Xin said that no matter what happens, I'm ready to play in the fourth game, and I believe that my teammates will win. I just need to stay calm. Fan Zhendong said the opponent Zhang Wujin's tactical intentions are very clear. He started each game carefully and made many unnecessary mistakes. At the same time, the opponent also ate a lot of Fan Zhendong's serve, which also gave him a certain degree of confidence.
第4场上场的准备，同时我也相信我的队友肯定会赢下这一场。我只需要让自己去冷静，不用去特别激动。万一真到了我的第4场，我肯定还是要把这个比赛当成0-0开始打。
单打比赛第2局是2-7落后，追到了8-7的后，特别是第3局也是16-14，我觉得
我觉得首先，对手的这种战术意图还是很明确吧，可能不会让自己非常舒服的进入自己的这种节奏，所以确实从每一局的开局，我觉得其实都是有一点太小心了，然后给对方很多这种空间，包括自己也有很多这种无谓失误吧，所以但是打到中局以后，包括打几个这种相持球赢下来以后，可能到尾局，包括其实今天的发球他还是吃了很多吧，所以也给了自己很多这种空间吧。
下一个就是明天是休息1天，然后就是金牌赛，要做哪个准备？
其实刚才说也差不多，无论对手是谁吧，这个无论是德国队还是日本队，我们都要在准备上要做好打满5场这样的一个准备吧，然后去不互相依赖，还是每个人都做好自己的这一份工作，每一场都全力以赴去拼。我觉得只有这样的话，这样的准备我们才能够打出中国队这样的一个士气吧。
说的挺好。
可以了。
不好意思啊，龙队，2比1领先给我们不差很大，能帮我们复盘一下当时到底发生了什么？
其实之前跟李湘秀打了几次，其实在场面上也不是很舒服。今天确实也跟自己想象这种，一样嘛。虽然2比0领先，但其实前2局这种赢的也不是很轻松。第1局落后，第2局也是打到这种10比8。确实在一些技术环节上，自己我觉得还是让对手更容易抓一些，所以在一些场面上局面上显得也不是那么上风吧。也不是相克，他可能自己的一些习惯套路，正好他也比较喜欢嘛。再加上可能他心态比我觉得好一点，我觉得自己在今天，可能感觉上还是有些紧嘛。这种发挥上可能没有那么好的情况下，确实也给对手留出一些空间。